Meaning of freak show.
Freak show.
Freak show.
Freak show.
Freak show. Freak show refers to a type of exhibition that features individuals or animals with physical abnormalities or extraordinary traits, often presented for entertainment purposes. Such shows were popular in the 19th and early 20th centuries, but have since been widely criticized for their exploitation of vulnerable people and perpetuation of harmful stereotypes. Today, the term freak show is often used metaphorically to describe situations or events that are bizarre, shocking, or otherwise outside of what is considered normal or acceptable.